Hello everyone. Very good morning to all. Welcome to our EVS lecture, lesson number 5, and our topic is time to celebrate. So children, in our last lecture I have explained you about the seasonal festival. Yes, you all have read the chapter? Yes. And you all have to learn the hard words also. Yes, because the words are very hard for you all. For example, the Independence Day, Republic Day. Yes, so you all have to write the hard words 5 times in your rough notebook to learn properly. Okay. So, in this lecture, as usual, first I will explain you about our previous session. That in our previous session, I will explain you the regional festival. So, all of you start. Yes, ready? So, today we learn first about the revision. Revision means the previous session. In that, what I have explained you? I have explained you about the seasonal festival, and today the special topic is places of worship. I think that you all have understand while seeing this slide what is the meaning of worship. Yes, so first we will revise about the seasonal festival. So in this chapter, we have covered a 5 seasonal festival, as we can call it a harvest festival also. So, different parts of the country celebrate different seasonal festivals. So, first there is a Basant Panchami. Now, Basant Panchami is mostly celebrated in Bengal, and on this festival the goddesses Saraswati is worshipped, and the people wear a yellow color clothes. They offer the yellow flowers to God and apply a yellow turmeric tilak. Now we talk about the Pongal. And what happened in the Basant Panchami? In Punjab, people fly the kites. Yes, this point I have forgot to explain you. बसंत पंचमी के दिन जो पंजाब के लोग होते हैं वो फ्लाइट काइट्स करते हैं, वो लोग काइट उड़ाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द पोंगल. नाउ व्हाट इज अ पोंगल? Pongal is a 3 days festival celebrating the harvest season in Tamil Nadu. So, in Tamil Nadu, they celebrate the Pongal and they worship the god, sun, rain, and the cow. And the sweet dish is known as a Pongal rice. और जो स्वीट वो लोग जो बनाते हैं उसे बोलते हैं पोंगल राइस. Now, Onam. What is Onam? Onam is celebrated in Kerala and it is celebrated in August or September. And they worship the king Mahabali. Okay, they worship the king Mahabali. You have seen the slide. I have put in the picture also of Mahabali. सबने देखा था? Children, once again I am telling you that you all have to listen and see the EVS video properly. Seriously you have to see. अगर आपको इंग्लिश ठीक से समझ में नहीं आती, you can understand by seeing the picture which I am putting in this PPT. Okay, fine. So in Kerala they celebrate the festival of Onam. In which month? In the month of August and September. And in this festival they decorate the elephants. वो लोग elephants को decorate करते हैं. And the famous thing is that on this day they do the snake boat रेस, बोट का रेस होता है और द बोट का शेप कैसा होता है? इट इज लाइक अ स्नेक. Now I will talk about the Bihu. Bihu is celebrate in Assam. वो आसाम में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं in the spring, autumn and winter season. And the main important thing is the dance. बिहू जब होता है तो सेलिब्रेट के लिए वो लोग खाली डांस करते, विच इज नोन एज अ बिहू डांस. क्लियर? And the last is Lori. So Lori is celebrate in January. मतलब जनवरी में विंटर सीजन ही होता है. यस. एंड इन नॉर्थ इंडिया, नॉर्थ इंडिया में स्पेशली इन पंजाब. तो उस दिन क्या होता है, जो पीपल लाइट बॉनफायर, बीच में बॉनफायर करते हैं, डांस करते हैं, सॉन्ग गाते हैं. दे सिंग द पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स. Yes, and this festival celebrate the end of winter. जनवरी के बाद फरवरी चालू होता है and the Feb is a season of spring. और Feb, मार्च ये 2 मंथ में स्प्रिंग सीजन चालू हो जाती. That's why the January is the end of the winter season and they celebrate it as a Lori. तो सबको समझ में आ गया? All have understand the seasonal festival? Yes, you have to read the chapter also, okay? Now we start our new topic, places of worship. Before that, I will tell you that what is the meaning of worship. Worship का मतलब क्या है? You can see in this pic, 2 हाथ जुड़े हुए हैं. When we do this thing, when we go to the temple, yes, जब हम prayer करते हैं. So we can say that every religion has different way of worship. Clear? Every religion has a different way of worship. People of different religions go to different places to offer prayer. Prayer का मतलब होता है प्रार्थना करना, to do the prayer. Yes, and all the religions, sub religions. Now what is the meaning of religions? I have taught you. Hindu, Muslims, Sikh, Christians, these are the religious. ठीक है? ये हर एक रिलीजियन हमें क्या सिखाता? To become a good human being, to become honest, to become kind. Yes, and we all are going to temple, to church to offer the prayer. So in this topic we will talk about the worship and the places of worship. So most neighborhood have different place of worship where people go to offer prayer. हमारे घर के आसपास भी different types of places है where we go to worship. Clear? As our religion, if we are Hindu, then we go to temple. If we have other caste, we go to the other place to worship. Now what is this? This is a temple. Now we all go here to do the prayer. Yes, so the Hindus goes to temple to pray God and goddesses. Now children, what is the meaning of God and goddesses? God means the male God. Male मतलब, for example, Krishna, Ram, yes, Ganpati, Shiv, these are the God. And what is the goddesses? The female God. Female मतलब Lakshmi, Saraswati, Durga, these are the goddesses. So we go, as we are Hindu, we go to temple to pray God and goddesses. हम मंदिर जाते हैं, पूजा करते हैं. यस, और हम क्या करते हैं पूजा में? हम फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स, फ्लावर्स, प्रसाद, ये हम गॉड और गॉडेसेस को चढ़ाते हैं. यस, यस या नो? यस. और मंदिर में कौन होते हैं? दिस priest is known as a पुजारी. ये पुजारी जो है वो मंदिर में पूजा करते हैं. All of you clear? Yes. Now the priest is known as the पंडित और पुजारी. सबको समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Yes. Now we talk about the mosque. What is a mosque? A mosque is a place where Muslims go to offer prayer. Now in their language it is known as a namaz. Yes? Namaz. Muslims go to mosque to offer namaz, and they offer namaz 5 times a day. वो लोग 5 बार नमाज पढ़ते हैं पूरे दिन में. You all have seen Muslim or not? Yes. And what is this? The holy book of Muslim is called Quran. Quran, ये book. Children, one more important thing you all have to remember, you all have to learn is that as Muslim has a holy book, जैसे होली का मतलब होता पवित्र, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी होली बुक. पवित्र बुक जैसे मुस्लिम की है उसी तरह हम हिंदू की भी होती है. सो द हिंदू वर्ड होली बुक इज भागवत गीता एंड रामायण. भागवत गीता और रामायण जो है वो हिंदू की होली बुक है और मुस्लिम की होली बुक को हम बोलते हैं कुरान. यू कैन सी. और ये जो कुरान है, इन दिस दे टीचेस अस द ह्यूमैनिटी, दे टीचेस अस टू बी अ ट्रूथफुल, काइंड एंड गुड मैन. ये हमें अच्छी नॉलेज देता. वी ऑल हैव टू रीड आवर होली बुक. As we are Hindu, we have to read the Gita. And I know each and every person, those who are Hindu, they have Gita at their home. सबके घर में गीता होती है. ठीक है. Now we come back again with our this Muslim holy book is called Quran. Now what is this? This is a Gurudwara. गुरुद्वारा, गुरु का द्वार. ओके. गुरु दे द सिख कॉल गुरु. सिख मतलब जो पंजाबीज होते हैं उसको हम सिख बोलते हैं. यस. यू ऑल हैव सीन द गुरुद्वारा इन आवर अहमदाबाद ऑल्सो. इट इज देयर इन SG हाईवे. यस. एंड द गोल्डन टेम्पल, इन दिस आई हैव पुटन द गोल्डन टेम्पल. इट इज अ गुरुद्वारा. And the holy book of Sikh is called a Guru Granth Sahib. अब होली बुक सिख की भी है जिसको हम बोलते हैं गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब. क्लियर. नाउ देयर इज द गॉड. देखो ये गुरु है, गुरु नानक देव. एंड द सिख सिंग वर्सेस नोन एज गुरु बानी. यू कैन
सतनाम श्री वाहे सतनाम श्री दंडोत वंदन अनेक
Now you all have heard this song. This song is known as a गुरुबानी, इसे हम बोलते गुरुबानी. When you go to the Gurudwara, there all the Sikhs sing these verses. So this verses is known as Gurubani. Clear? Now this is a church. Church is a place where the Christian goes to worship. Yes, चर्च में क्रिश्चियन जाते हैं प्रेयर करने. एंड द फाउंडर ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी वॉज जीजस. ये उनके गॉड है, जीजस. जीजस द फाउंडर ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी वॉज अ जीजस. So Christian goes to church to offer prayer. The founder of Christianity was Jesus Christ. Now Christians go to church every Sunday for a special prayer. For the special prayer they go on Sunday. Clear? So the Christian pray the God which is known as Jesus Christ. That's why they celebrate the festival of Christmas, the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes? Fine. Now, the holy book of Christian is Bible. So, as Hindu holy book is Gita, the Muslim holy book is Quran, the Sikh holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. In the same way, the holy book of Christian is Bible. All of you clear, dear? Yes. So Christian go to church for prayer and the Bible is the holy book of Christian. So children, I hope that you all have understand this chapter well. Yes, because this is the last topic of this lesson. Yes. So I want to give you all a one message that all religions have a same message. हमने जितने religions के बारे में पढ़ा, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख और क्रिश्चियन, क्लियर, all give us the same message. सब हमें एक सेम चीज़ ही समझाते हैं, that they teach us that God is one. God जो है, भगवान जो है, वो खाली वन है. The God is one and they teach us to love and help one another. अगर हमें गॉड को खुश करना है, हमें एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. We have to help each other. We have to help the needy, जिसको ज़रूर है. हम गरीबों की मदद करते हैं. ठीक है. एंड वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट ऑल रिलीजियंस. हम सब रिलीजियन को हमें रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए, वेदर दे आर सिख, वेदर दे आर मुस्लिम, वेदर दे आर क्रिश्चियन और हिंदू. हम सब एक है. हम सब एक डाल के फूल है. हमारे में कोई भी कास्ट सिस्टम नहीं आता, रिलीजियन नहीं आता, बिकॉज ऑल रिलीजियस teaches us a same thing. Yes, same message, that to help, to learn, to love one another. And we should respect all the religious. So children, I hope that you all have understand this chapter. Yes. So here our chapter is finished. Lesson number 5 is finished. So all of you take care and have a nice day. Goodbye.